I'm on a mission to go on a deep dive into the twists, turns, and stories behind the world's most legendary theme park attractions. From groundbreaking designs to their impact on park goers, I want to explore the facts, history, and magic that make these rides timeless. Welcome to Sunday Ride Showcase. Buckle up, the adventure starts now. There's nothing quite like the rush of Disney's mountain rides. Iconic attractions that have captured the hearts of guests for generations. Today, we're taking a closer look at Space Mountain, Splash Mountain, and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Let's uncover the magic, history, and unique features of these legendary attractions across all Disney parks around the globe. First up, Space Mountain. Originally debuting at Walt Disney World in 1975, this attraction is a masterpiece of futuristic design and thrilling adventure. Located in Tomorrowland of the Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain simulates a rocket ride through the cosmos with its high-speed turns and starry visuals. Each Disney park offers its own take on this classic ride. In Disneyland Paris, you'll find Hyperspace Mountain, featuring a Star Wars theme and a thrilling launch sequence. Meanwhile, Hong Kong Disneyland's version brings its own twist with stunning effects and immersive storytelling. The ride's iconic soundtrack, composed by Michael Giacchino in Disneyland, adds an extra layer of excitement as you race through the stars. It's an attraction that stood the test of time while continuing to evolve for new generations. Next, we got Splash Mountain. This beloved water ride opened in Disneyland in 1999 and quickly became a fan favorite across Walt Disney World and Tokyo Disneyland. With its catchy tunes and exciting finale, Splash Mountain perfectly blends storytelling and thrills. The ride's theme drew inspiration from the Song of the South and the adventures of Brer Rabbit. After undergoing a transformation, Splash Mountain will be reimagined as Tiana's Bayou Adventure, celebrating the princess and the frog. This change promises to bring a fresh new wave of magic and diversity to the attraction. In Tokyo Disneyland, Splash Mountain stands out with lush landscapes and impeccable details, creating a unique charm that's a hit with guests. And let's not forget that 50-foot drop always delivers unforgettable thrills. Last but not least, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, the wildest ride in the wilderness. First opening at Disneyland in 1979, this high-speed mine train adventure takes you through a world of gold rush towns, tunnels, and breathtaking scenery. Each park's Big Thunder Mountain tells its own story. Disneyland Paris offers a particularly unique version, with the ride situated on an island surrounded by the rivers of the far west. The design here immerses you in a setting inspired by Bryce Canyon National Park. Fun fact, keep an eye out for the famous Dynamite Goat, one of the many playful details Imagineers have hidden along the tracks. Big Thunder Mountain's timeless appeal makes it a must-ride for thrill seekers and Disney fans alike. Whether you're rocketing through space, splashing down into adventure, or racing through wilderness, Disney's mountain rides offer something for everyone. With all of their rich history, they're more than just attractions. They're unforgettable experiences that captures the epitome of Disney magic. Which is your favorite mountain? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more theme park fun.